Some of our greatest challenges in life, the things that hurt us the most, are the very things that propel us forward to something great, the thing that is our passion and purpose.
It was not at all what I expected. With the way she incorporated the video, the pictures, and the music, you felt like you were standing against the rail with her in Hawaii meeting her dad. You felt like you were in the truck in Vietnam.
Now we over here dropping bombs, man!
You know, from the Vietnam War to civil rights, I mean, it's something that's went beyond decades of experience.
My life has been driven or derailed by those systems and individuals who've tried to keep me, my family, from existing as a harmonious whole.
I think her going to Hawaii to find her dad was very brave. I was challenged by her to do more with my life.
What happens then if being accepted by your tribe only looks like X, but then you're not X? Well, she thinks she's cute hanging out with all those white kids. Now that I get it about me, can I be more compassionate and understanding about when someone else I'm around? That's what the point of the work is, using that information for good. Using that information for good. When I started connecting the dots in my story and why I was stuck and why when I had opportunities, I couldn't seize them.
She has this huge range of other creative learning skills that she can put together and perform a dramatic learning experiences for our students. And our students have told me, let's have her back.